In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo in a Canva template. Whether you're updating your social media profile or personalizing a project, this quick tutorial will show you how to swap out images in just a few minutes. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, type Cool Profile into the search bar. This will bring up a selection of templates that are designed specifically for profile pictures or similar projects. Feel free to explore your options, taking note of any designs that catch your eye. Once you find one that aligns with your vision, click on it to open up more details. After you've selected a template that you like, it's time to personalize it. Click on the Customize this template button. This action will bring you directly to the Canva editor, which is the workspace where all your creativity can come to life. Here, you can modify anything within the template to fit your needs, from the text to the background colors. But for now, we'll focus on changing the photo. Look towards the left-hand side of the editor. You'll see various options, including one labeled Uploads. Click on Uploads, which takes you to a section where you can manage your image files. This is the area where you can store all the images you might want to use in your Canva creations. If you already have photos you've uploaded before, you'll see them here. If not, don't worry, this is where you'll upload your desired picture for this template. Now let's add your photo to the template. Import your image by simply dragging and dropping the file from your computer into the Uploads area. Alternatively, you can click the Upload button and select your image file from your device directory. Once the image is in your uploads, you'll see it appear with a little thumbnail. With your photo uploaded, the next step is to place it onto the template. Hover over to your image and click on it. Then drag your picture directly onto the existing photo space within the template. Canva will automatically fit your image into the designated spot, resizing as necessary. If the image doesn't fit perfectly, you can adjust the size and position of your photo using the corner handles and by dragging it around until it looks just right. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a photo in a Canva template. You can go ahead and make any other tweaks to text or design elements as needed. Once you're satisfied with your creation, remember to save your work or download it directly for use. Canva gives you the freedom to effortlessly refresh your digital projects, all while having some fun in the process. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial and happy creating.